Welcome to the channel where we uncover hidden treasures and turn pocket change into life-changing wealth. Today, we're diving into the shocking secrets of the rare 1969 Australian 5-cent coin. Some are worth thousands, even millions, and you might already own one. Let's get started in the vast world of numismatics. Few coins carry the mystique and allure of rare Australian 5-cent pieces from 1969. At first glance, these coins appear to be just another pocket change relic, but under the right conditions, they can command astonishing prices. Some even believed to be worth hundreds of thousands, and in the most extreme conditions, possibly millions. The sheer value of these seemingly ordinary coins lies in their rarity, minting errors, and pristine condition, making them a treasure trove hiding in plain sight. Collectors worldwide are on the hunt, scouring through old jars, inherited collections, and flea markets, hoping to uncover one of these elusive gems. The year 1969 holds a special place in Australian numismatic history. Although millions of 5-cent coins were minted that year, only a select few bear the marks of extraordinary value. This worth doesn't stem merely from the age of the coin, but from rare minting anomalies, missed strikes, off-center strikes, missing elements, or double obverse. Such minting errors were incredibly rare due to the rigorous standards of the Royal Australian Mint. Yet, when they occurred, they birthed coins that defied expectations. These unusual coins were often overlooked at the time, spent and circulated like any other. But today, they are considered numismatic miracles, commanding fierce competition at auctions and in private collections. What amplifies the legend of the 1969 5-cent coin is the rumor of an ultra-rare variety where the numeral 5 appears superimposed or doubled, possibly due to a die clash or faulty die alignment. These rare coins are whispered about in collector circles, with some unverified reports suggesting that collectors have paid small fortunes, tens of thousands, for a single example in excellent condition. If one of these coins surfaces in flawless uncirculated condition with full luster and no contact marks, the value could skyrocket beyond expectations. The buzz and folklore around this potential variant have sent treasure hunters racing to inspect their old coin stashes, igniting dreams of overnight wealth. The market for rare coins, especially error coins, is thriving more than ever. What was once the domain of hardcore collectors has now become a field of intrigue for everyday Australians. Social media and online marketplaces have pushed awareness into mainstream, with stories of ordinary people selling coins for thousands going viral. As demand for rare Australian 5-cent coins surges, so does their value, creating a self-feeding frenzy where even a hint of an unusual coin can set off bidding wars. In this landscape, a genuine 1969 error coin doesn't just hold value, it holds the potential to transform lives. Condition plays a pivotal role in determining a coin's worth. The grading scale, from poor to uncirculated, dramatically affects pricing. A 1969 5-cent coin in average circulated condition may not fetch more than a few dollars, but in mint state MS condition, especially if certified by a respected grading service, its value can leap exponentially. Collectors pay premium prices for coins in MS65 or higher, particularly when the coin includes a verified error. Coins with full mint brilliance, sharp details, and untouched surfaces are like gold in collectors' market, rare, beautiful, and undeniably valuable. It's not just about the error or rarity. It's about the story. Owning a rare Australian coin is like holding a piece of history in your hands. These coins represent more than monetary value. They're snapshots of a bygone era, carrying the weight of historical significance and national identity. For collectors, the emotional connection is just as powerful as the financial potential. This is why collectors are willing to pay staggering amounts to own a piece of numismatic lore, a coin that very few people on Earth will ever lay eyes on, let alone possess. The thrill of discovering one of these valuable coins cannot be overstated. Imagine reaching into your drawer, picking out an old 5-cent coin, and realizing it's one of the rare 1,969 varieties worth tens of thousands. The moment of realization is electric, a mix of disbelief, joy, and excitement that can only be compared to winning a lottery. Every day, Australians are waking up to the idea that they might be sitting on a fortune without even knowing it. Coin dealers are seeing a rush of people coming in with old collections, and for good reason, because some of those coins are turning out to be life dash changers at SO before you spend a humble little 5-cent piece. Take a closer look. Flip it under a magnifying glass. Examine the date. Check for irregularities. You could be holding an ultra-rare 1969 coin with a minting error that makes it a collector's dream. These aren't just coins. They are keys to potential fortune, waiting to be discovered. In a world where wealth often comes through hard work and time, imagine the thrill of unlocking it through a coin you had all along. The hunt is on, and every old drawer, piggy bank, and coin jar could be hiding Australia's next million-dollar treasure. Next, another Australia 5-cent coin in the thrilling world of coin collecting. Few coins ignite as much mystery, excitement, and potential fortune as the rare Australian 5-cent coins from 1989. At first glance, these coins look like everyday spare change, forgotten at the bottom of drawers, hiding in old jars, or jingling in your childhood piggy bank. But hidden among the millions produced in 1989 are rare varieties that have captured the attention of collectors and treasure hunters alike. These are not just coins. They are keys to hidden wealth, and if you're lucky enough to hold one, you could be sitting on a gold mine. The 1989 5-cent coin stands out not just for rarity, but because of a strange and fascinating anomaly, a superimposed or double value marking, where the number 5 appears distorted, duplicated, or shadowed. This rare error, believed to have been caused by a misaligned or overused die, creates a visually striking and unmistakably unique coin. These types of minting flaws are not only rare, they are highly prized in the world of numismatics. When collectors find a coin like this, they don't see 5 cents, they see thousands, sometimes even hundreds of thousands of dollars, depending on condition and clarity of the error. What makes this particular year, 1989, even more intriguing is that there are very few publicly confirmed examples of this error, which only deepens a mystery and inflames the speculation. Could more be out there, waiting to be found? Absolutely. That's what makes the hunt so electrifying. Imagine the excitement of rummaging through an old coin jar and spotting an odd-looking 5 that could be the gateway to a life-changing payout. These coins aren't just currency, they're hidden jackpots, cloaked in the most unassuming form. Collectors and dealers alike have reported paying astonishing sums for verified 1989 5-cent error coins, while the exact number of such pieces in circulation remains unknown. Those that surface in pristine or mint-state condition can trigger fierce bidding wars at auctions. The rare combination of a minting error, a limited number of known examples, and rising demand among collectors means their value continues to climb every year. For those who are lucky enough to hold one, especially in brilliant, uncirculated condition, you're not just holding a coin, you're holding a financial time bomb waiting to explode in value. The condition of the coin plays a crucial role in determining its worth. A coin with heavy wear or surface damage might fetch a few $100s if the error is still visible. But a coin in near-perfect condition, certified by a professional grading service, with crisp details and the error clearly visible, can be worth thousands and possibly much more. When these coins reach the hands of serious collectors, their value is not limited to their rarity alone, but also to their visual appeal and historical significance. In the world of coin grading, that single step up in condition can multiply a coin's worth tenfold. Beyond their monetary value, these rare 1989 5-cent coins are historical artifacts. They represent a moment in time when the machinery of the Royal Australian Mint made an unexpected slip, a moment that now holds immense value. Owning one is like holding a tangible piece of minting history, a frozen glitch in time. For collectors, it's more than profit. It's passion. For everyday Australians, it's hope. Hope that something forgotten and overlooked could turn out to be the best discovery of their life. This phenomenon has sparked a nationwide craze. People across the country are now combing through their old wallets, purses, and coin albums in the hope of uncovering one of these rare coins. It's not just collectors who are looking. Ordinary people are finding out that coins they've had for decades could be worth thousands. Suddenly, the contents of a simple coin jar seem like potential treasure chests. Social media is filled with success stories, and the interest only grows with every new find. So, the next time you come across an old Australian 5-cent coin from 1989, don't ignore it. Flip it over. Examine it closely, especially the number 5. If it looks off, doubled, shadowed, or distorted, you might have just uncovered something truly extraordinary. These coins are not fantasy. They are real, rare, and rising in value every single day. In a world where fortunes are often built slowly, imagine changing your financial destiny in the blink of an eye with a coin most people would overlook. The treasure hunt has begun, and your fortune could be just one coin away.